Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today, I'm going to be going through another haul. I know I am acquiring things on a very rapid pace. Anyhow, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, welcome back. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me. I appreciate you so much. So as you can see in front of me, I have the Live Love Posh Posh Spring sticker book. I have the Chic Spring sticker book. I also have these Mojo Jojo stickers, and this is from Live Love Posh. I will show you what it is. So first I'm gonna open this, show you what I ordered, and then we're gonna go through the books and I'll show you what that is. Also, the books from Mojo Jojo, just so you know, are the Functionally Wild Spring 2.0 boxes and Go Wild. I am not going to go wild this year, but I still wanted the color scheme because I love the colors in those stickers. So let's open this one. So I ordered two sets of the clear covers. So I did order expander discs for my current planner, which is this. It's a chunkster already because I am using an additional planner this year. So this will sit on top of this one because I do love this cover so much. But it is like cardboard. It's from Inkwell Press. I don't want it to get ruined. So when I put this on the expander discs, I will be covering the clear covers with that. So that's what I wanted to do, so that's why I ordered it. Let's go through the Mojo Jojo stickers first. So I'm gonna go through the, well, let's go through the Go Wild first. So lots of blues that I've seen, and that's why I really wanted it. So dark blue, light blue, and then of course you have the smaller boxes, the lined boxes, and then large clear ones. Then you have the checklists. And I love these colors. So this obviously goes to this, and then this pink one will go into this purple. So kind of interesting how she divided that. So then you have this pink and purple in here, same kind of layout, and then you have the pink, dark purple from the other book, and then light purple. So then you have this one that corresponds to this with this pink. So then you have this violet and like this light fuchsia. Yeah. I really do think these boxes are going, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is very different. It's graphic like design. Boxes, very, very different. I really like it. Interesting. And same thing with these. They have like a graph background, and then you get some circles in the same colors as the other as all of the collection. So you have the dark blue, purples, pinks, dark purples, and then the graphics. Then you get some of these hexagons, which are fantastic. Then you get big hexagons and small triangles, lined hexagons, and then you guys, you get dates. So okay, so you get days of the week, months. This is like 1 month of dates, and then that. So for weekly, if you are redating, this will cover a whole month, which is awesome. So will this, and then you will have additional months, and then you have another one in different colors, and then you have big dates if you want to do a countdown. This is amazing. I really like this book. I did not expect it to like this much. And then let's do Spring 2.0. So I have the Spring, the first, I think I have all of the boxes from Mojo Jojo except maybe the foiled one and then the glitter one. I do want the foiled one. I just didn't get it in time. And then the glitter one, I don't think I would use. Anyway, so this is the first page. It's pink, yellow, and blue. To me, it screams Easter, which is fun. So again, you have all of these boxes. Some of them are lined, some of them are not. Then you get the functional checklists, half checklists, and bullet points. Ooh, green and copper gold foiled. Interesting. So light green, dark green, copper foiled. Then we have these boxes in the same colors. Then we have, so she no longer does 2 pages of each. They're 1 page each, but you get more of a collection. So very interesting. So purple, not purple, green, and copper gold. I'm looking at my nails and I'm thinking purple, you guys. Anyway, so same thing with these functional checklists. Dark green, light green, copper foil, same thing with the bullet points, and you have checklists. Then you have this nude, beautiful pink and peach. I think these are awesome. And again, same thing, 1 page each, but then you get more of colors and more of a variety. Same thing with boxes. And then you get purple and green, which is such a good color combo to me. So light green and purple. One of my favorite spreads last year was this color combo. Okay, so nothing changes in Mojo Jojo boxes. Like the layouts, everything is the same, except it's no longer 2 pages each, which I found kind of interesting. So then you have dark pink, light pink, and that's it. So that is the Spring 2.0 from Mojo Jojo. Now we're gonna get into the Functionally Wild. So again, lots of probably zebra and cheetah print. So let's see, large boxes with tiny ones. Then you have smaller functional ones. Then full boxes with journaling boxes. Same thing here. Cool. And then you get circles with leopard print, zebra print, more leopard print. That's really cool. Okay, then you have checklists in the same colors. Then you just get black and white boxes, so zebra black and white and like leopard black and white. Very different. Then you have black and white giraffe and zebra. I like those a lot. Kind of different, right? If you wanted a black and white spread with patterns, I think this is perfect. And then you get the same thing with circles. Oh, look at this. And of course, checklists. And then you get rainbow. Ooh, that's kind of fun. So all of them have like the same pattern and the same layout of boxes as the previous collection, except one goes like actual animal color, one goes black and white, and this is rainbow colored. I like this a lot. I think it'll be fun for like summer to be able to include this. And then you have bullet points. Look how fun these are. And then checklists. So this was Functionally Wild, and now I'm gonna go into the Live Love Posh stickers. Let's start with Chic Spring. Let's see, so I think this is 32 sheets, so this is $1 extra from her, which is not a big deal, or like $2 extra. But her stickers are unmatched for me, at least. I love the graphics that she chooses. Oftentimes I use the same graphics for myself when I purchase from Etsy. Like I said, her style matches mine pretty well. So if you like stickers from Live Love Posh, that's almost most of the time I use her stickers. So stay tuned and join the channel. So this is lovely. We have seen kind of this color scheme before. I think it was in a fall sticker book. It was like with the door and kind of welcoming the blue. And you guys, you know I love blue, so it was perfect. The pink and the blue florals are OMG for me. Then we have the Valentine spread, and you do get 2 pages of each one in here. This, we have seen this kind of before in her summer book, I want to say, or spring book. It was also beautiful. And then you have all of these florals. OMG. They make me so happy. And then you have her functional stuff, so notes. Remember to do today goals, important tasks. Then you have checklists, then you have boxes and bullet points, so 2 pages of those. I do use those with her boxes. I think they're very good. And then we have more boxes with some checklists, so she doesn't waste any space, which I love. Then we have like this makeup collection, Glam Girl collection. It's super cute. And then we have this, which I am surprised how much I like this. Again, this rings very much Rifle Paper Company to me. I love it. I love the flowers, the colors, all of it. Then we have this, just peachy. So very peachy spread. Maybe like for spring cleaning, I don't know. But sorry about that. Super, super cute. Let's see, and then we have these peach flowers, these large peach flowers that I really like as well. Then we have bunnies, florals, so like Easter spread with eggs, super cute. And then we have still Easter with roses and bouquets of flowers and stuff like that. Super, super pretty. And then you have the same thing but with different colors. So we have the same headers, to-do lists, so like checklist boxes, and then bigger boxes. So super, super cute book. So this is called Chic Spring. It is from Love Posh. Let's do the Posh Spring. So Posh Spring is 30 pages. Let's see. Love this. Okay, so all of this is lovely. Again, 2 pages of each design, which helps, right? Because if you love something, you don't feel like you're using it all up. I love these a lot. Is that only 1 page? Yeah, so this is only 1 page. Okay, but then you get these, and of course 2 pages of those. These are a little different. These are on, most of these are on clear foil and clear backing. Love her florals. This is on paper, and you have all of these, so pretty. Then we have butterflies. Such a fun spread with butterflies. Then we have flowers. So this book is super, super bright. Here we go again. Very bright florals. This is on paper backing, single page. And then look at these. Ooh, I love these. And I'm not even a purple lover. So then you get 2 pages of these boxes and wreaths and loose flowers. I think that's beautiful. Then we have these orange ones, which you could use for spring or summer, I guess, with this color scheme. And look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. So you get only 1 page of that. And then you have, see, these purple florals, super pretty. And then 2 pages of this, so pretty. And then you get all of these quotes. So spring is spring, a lovely reminder of how beautiful change can truly be, living the spring life. A flower blossoms for its own joy, live life in full bloom, spring blessings, hello, bloom when you're planted. Yeah, so all of these, this is on clear sticker backing, so that's going to be great if you wanted to layer them. Anyway, so this is all of my haul that I wanted to share with you guys. So we have Love Posh, we have Mojo Jojo, and like I said, from Love Posh I also got the clear covers. Anyway, thanks so much for joining. If you like videos like this, make sure you like. If you're not subscribed already, please do so. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye!